Hi everyone, welcome to our week 4 of this course. I just wanted to give you a quick update on what to expect this week. So we're going to talk about the determinants of health, risk factors, protective factors. You'll find that Unit 6 is a bit of a review from what we did in class for our preclinical class last week, but please make sure that you review that PowerPoint because there are a few different things in there. And it'll help for both tests, really, to review that information. There's 2 PowerPoints, determinants of health and risk and protective factors. There will be some activities within the determinants of health, and here is the website link, the article that you'll be reading, and I've put the links for both assignment 1 and 2 here. So assignment 1 isn't due till week 6, and then that first part of assignment 2 is due week 7, and that's electronic. Make sure if you haven't looked closely at this assignment you do so, because you'll want to get started on that soon. And this has been assigned for a while now, so you can certainly finish that early and hand it in at any time. The weekly checklist here is worked on assignment 1, reviewed the PowerPoints, watched the video and read the article, accessed assignment 2, picked a partner or began working on it. There'll be a quiz this week. Again, Thursday is when the quiz opens. Attended class, bring your typodonts to class this week, so we're going to practice toothbrushing techniques. And start to make study notes because we have our first test next week on weeks 1 to 4. And I'll discuss that in class this week as to what to expect. So this week isn't super heavy with content. You'll find that you'll have, maybe an hour and a bit of work to do on your PowerPoints. Maybe just a little bit more when you read the article and answer the questions. And then the rest of the time I want you to spend finishing assignment 1, starting assignment 2, and doing your quiz, and then getting ready to make some notes for your test. So that's pretty much it for week 4. If you have any questions, just email me. See you Thursday.